Today, in this historic gathering, we have affirmed solidarity in our intentions, in our thoughts, and in our words. In unison, we have all condemned Israel's aggression. Let history record this great moment when we, the leaders of the Arab Islamic world, have chosen unity, dignity, and courage over silence and inaction. Otherwise, my brothers and sisters, may I submit in all humility, posterity will never forgive us. وختاما أيها الإخوة والأخوات أود أن أختتم كلمتي هذه بقول الله عز وجل واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا صدق الله العظيم. شكرا لكم جميعا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.